The power of visualization and what you'll learn in this video. Have you ever heard the phrase, "It all starts in your mind"? Neuroscience confirms it. Your brain can't tell the difference between a vividly imagined experience and a real one. When you visualize something clearly and emotionally, your brain responds as if it's actually happening. In this video, you'll learn how to use guided visualization strategically to manifest financial opportunities in just 7 days. And this isn't about wishful thinking or vague positivity. We're diving into real techniques backed by science, designed to rewire your brain and shift your financial reality. Stick with me to the end, because each part of this journey is built to not only change your mindset but to help you attract real results. Let's dive in. Part 1: The Neuroscience of Visualization. Your brain can't tell it's not real. Harvard studies have shown that when people imagine performing an action with enough intensity, their brains light up the same way as when they're actually doing it. That means if you visualize achieving a financial goal, your brain starts creating a neurological blueprint of success. This activates your reticular activating system, the brain's filter that decides what you notice and what you ignore. When you feed it images of wealth, success, and opportunity, your mind starts tuning into real-world chances that match that vision. You begin to notice things you once overlooked. That's why top athletes, CEOs, and innovators swear by daily visualization. And now, you can harness that same brain science to attract financial abundance. It's not magic. It's mental programming. And it works. Part 2: Preparing the Mind. Priming your brain to receive abundance. Before planting new beliefs, you need to prepare your mental soil. That starts by slowing your brainwaves to the alpha and theta states, which naturally occur right after waking up and right before falling asleep. Research shows that during these states, your brain is more open to neuroplastic change, meaning it's easier to build new habits and thought patterns. This is the perfect window to visualize abundance. To make your practice even more powerful, use heart coherence, a simple technique of aligning your breath and emotions. By breathing slowly and focusing on gratitude or peace, you trigger your parasympathetic nervous system, reducing stress and creating a sense of safety. That's when the body says, "Yes, I'm ready to receive." You're not just thinking about abundance, you're embodying it. And that's when transformation begins. Part 3: The 3 scientifically proven elements of a powerful visualization. It needs 3 key ingredients: sensory clarity, emotion, and repetition. Sensory clarity means bringing in all your senses: see it, hear it, feel it, even smell and taste it. The more detailed your mental image, the more real it becomes to your brain. Next, emotion is the accelerator. Research from the University of California shows that strong emotions release dopamine and serotonin, brain chemicals that enhance memory and learning. So, when you feel gratitude, excitement, or joy while visualizing financial success, those feelings embed the experience deep into your nervous system. And repetition is what locks it in. Your brain rewires through repeated stimulation. Practice visualizing your financial goals every day for at least 7 days. Repetition builds belief, and belief drives behavior. And that's when things begin to shift. Part 4: The 7-Day Script. Step-by-step guided manifestation plan. Here's your plan. For the next 7 days, you'll do 2 10-minute visualizations daily. One after waking up, one before bed. On day 1, focus on letting go of limiting beliefs. Picture yourself releasing old money fears and negative thoughts like, "Money is hard to earn." On day 2, visualize financial stability, bills paid, savings growing, peace of mind. Day 3, see yourself receiving an unexpected amount of money. Feel the surprise. Feel the gratitude. Day 4. Imagine an exciting opportunity showing up. Maybe a new client, a business idea, or a job offer. Day 5. Visualize celebrating success with people you love. Feel the joy and connection. On day 6, repeat your favorite visualization with even more emotion. And on day 7, give thanks, as if everything already happened. Gratitude anchors belief. And belief is the foundation of manifestation. Part 5. Reinforcement through writing and body anchoring. Now let's strengthen the effect with writing and body-based reinforcement. Right after your visualization, write out what you saw as if it already happened. Today I received an incredible financial offer. Money came easily and unexpectedly. This engages the prefrontal cortex, the part of your brain linked to planning, decision-making, and future focus. It turns mental imagery into cognitive structure. Then, use somatic anchoring. Choose a physical gesture, like placing your hand on your heart or smiling with your eyes closed, and do it each time you visualize. Over time, your body will associate that gesture with a state of abundance. That's called a neural shortcut. And when you repeat that gesture during the day, you reactivate the feeling instantly. Studies in embodied cognition show that the body isn't separate from the mind. It's your secret tool to lock in change. What to expect in 7 days? Recognizing the signs of manifestation after 7 days, you may not hit the jackpot, but something will shift. You'll start noticing signs. A call from someone unexpected, a job posting that feels right, a new idea, or even a feeling of alignment you can't explain. This is called priming in psychology. You trained your brain to pay attention to new opportunities. And when you act on those signals, no matter how small, you reinforce the new pathways you've built. That's how mental alignment turns into material change. One of the biggest mistakes is ignoring the small wins while waiting for a miracle. But remember, every shift in awareness, every new idea, every small breakthrough is part of the manifestation. Abundance isn't a destination, it's a frequency you learn to access and maintain. And your 7-day journey is just the beginning. Now that you know how guided visualization works, and how your brain is wired to support it, your challenge begins. 7 days. 2 sessions a day. With full emotion and intention. Write it. Feel it. Anchor it. And most importantly, watch for the signs. When you see something shift, drop it in the comments, because sharing your success amplifies it. If you want more content like this, grounded in science and designed to transform, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Remember, abundance isn't something you chase. It's something you allow. Your next level is waiting. Visualize it. Feel it. Manifest it. The time is now.